Hi everyone. Okay, so my stove sampler came in yesterday, and I really want to see what it is. I don't know how to see sneak peek, so yeah. So let's see. This is how it looks like when you get it. Everything is coming up roses, and on the back is usually a coupon code. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. So, okay, so let's see what we get. Like I said, I'm still wary of this whole kit. Okay, oh goodness. A labor of love, quilting feeds your passion for fine fabrics, or is it vice versa? So when the last stitch is tied, you want your work of art to stay freshly beautiful forever. So it's a laundry soap. Okay, let's see. It's called a mini soak sampler pack by Soak Wash, and it is a $4.24 value, and that's what they say about it. Hold on. Okay, so that was that. My new puppies and my older puppies are really just so cute right now, so I had to take a picture. Okay, and this is okay, what is it? It is a lime prime needle twister. It's a $9.98 value, and it securely stores all your needles. So, okay, so you put in here, and you put your needles in here, almost like a lipstick tube. And yeah, okay. Then we get the Riley Blake churn dash binding holder, and that's what we get here. Yeah, it's a $10.74 I can't think of the name what it is template. So okay, now I pay I think we pay $36.95 or something like that for this. So this is a Sew Sampler exclusive. It's 2 of a kind. It's by Susan Ash and Lisa Alexander, and it's double the fun. Of course, I can't open it because that would be bad. And that is a $9.98 pattern. And then you have the Bliss Quilt Along. Well, I'll show it to you this way because that is the actual card. So that is what you get, is the Quilt Along little paper like this. So, and then we get this 2 of a kind Country Rose Junior Jelly Roll, $21.98. It's a $21.98 value, and that's this one. Okay, guys. So I have been really, looking at these kits and, $36, what I get, things like that. And I will honestly say this is probably the last one. I'm not getting what I want out of it. And yeah, so I will be canceling this subscription. I do know that there are plenty other subscription boxes out there, so I will cancel this one and pick something else, at least for the time being. This is stuff, this is stuff that's cool, but, $36 is a lot of money, you guys. It really is a lot of money, and it's for something that I can only use half of it, a quarter of it, or nothing, that it's not good. So yeah, so this will be my last one, but that's okay. It was fun while it lasted, and eventually I'll use everything, and yeah, it'll all be good. So, but anyways, we'll talk to you guys. What do you guys think? Would you guys be happy with this for $36.95? I think it is. I think it's $36. But all right, guys, let me know. Tell me what you think. All right, bye.